what's up and welcome back to tonight's special. Today we are gonna be baking. So we're gonna be baking almond flour scones with chocolate chip, and they're gonna be gluten-free and they're gonna be healthy. They're gonna be delicious. They're gonna be sweet. They're gonna cut down your sweet craving if you have them. And the ingredients with measurement will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And don't forget to support your girl by subscribing, liking and sharing. And let's get started. Came out. They are delicious and they taste amazing. They look beautiful and they're super healthy for you guys. As I said, they're super healthy for you guys, so you don't have to think twice before you make dessert, because they are the perfect dessert. And I know it when your craving hits you. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next recipe. Until then, bye bye.